Welcome to Mathxllence. Today, we are going to learn how to find the equation of a line passing through 2 points. By the end of this video, you will be able to use the slope-intercept form to represent a linear relationship. We are given 2 points, 0, 2 and 3, 3. First, we need to find the slope, often represented by the letter m. The slope is the change in y divided by the change in x. Plugging in our values, we get 3 minus 2 in the numerator and 3, 0 in the denominator. This simplifies to a slope of 1/3. Next, we need the y-intercept, represented by the letter b. Notice that the point 0, 2 tells us exactly where the line crosses the y-axis. So, b equals 2. Now, we use the slope-intercept form y equals mx plus b. Substituting our values, the final equation of the line is y equals 1/3 x plus 2. Our goal is to find the equation for this blue line. Most linear equations are written in what we call slope-intercept form. In this form, y equals mx plus b. The letter m represents the slope, which tells us how steep the line is. The letter b represents the y-intercept, which is where the line crosses the vertical y-axis. Let's look at the graph provided to find these 2 essential pieces of information. First, let's find the y-intercept, represented by the letter b. This is the easiest part because we just need to see where the line touches the vertical axis. Looking at the graph, the line crosses the y-axis exactly at the point 0, 1. Since the y value is 1, at this crossing, our b value is positive 1. We can already start filling in our equation. We have y equals mx plus 1. Now, we just need to find m, the slope. To find the slope, or m, we use the phrase rise over run. This describes the change in the vertical y direction, divided by the change in the horizontal x direction. Starting from our y-intercept at 0, 1, how do we get to the next point at 3, 3? We have to go up 2 units on the grid. That is our rise. Then, we move to the right 3 units. That is our run. So, our slope m is 2/3. This means for every 2 units we go up, we must go 3 units to the right to stay on the line. Now that we have both pieces of the puzzle, let's put them together into our final equation. By substituting 2/3 for m and 1 for b, we get our result. Y equals 2/3 x plus 1. It is always a good idea to check your work. If we plug in the x-coordinate of our second point, which is 3, the calculation gives us a y value of 3. This matches the point on our graph, so we know our equation is correct. We have successfully identified the y-intercept, calculated the slope using rise over run, and combined them into the slope-intercept form. I hope this helped you understand how to read a graph to find a linear equation. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like, follow, and subscribe to our channel for more math tutorials.